it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you guys haven't checked out my merch, then what are you doing? What are you doing? It is now available on fanjoy.co/heyitsfei if you want to check it out, or the link is down below. This is the crew neck, one of my favorite pieces. Look how sturdy, look how thick the quality is. Just looks how it stands on my body of its own. Independent woman. Loose Linda, join the fam. Don't miss out. The classic, the original, the one and only tan hoodie set. Pockets right here, pockets right here, pockets right here, pockets. How can you go wrong with this? Listen, Linda, is this not the cutest? Look how long this sweater is on its own. I could just, whoops. So cute. Honestly, I can see BTS wearing this. The black t-shirt, just wear it at home, be comfortable. Because I am a VIP member at the Short Torso Club, I do like to fold mine and tie it behind. Crop moment, you know? That I just ate, so I'll just leave it out. Wow, what? I'll be really honest, at first I was like, maybe the white t-shirt is my least favorite, but I think I like it more than the black t-shirt. I'm short, so I like to just, oh my gosh, is that just the softest, comfortable t-shirt for summer? Did we just win t-shirt of the year? No, in my heart we did. You guys have been requesting me to do a SHEIN haul, the ultimate SHEIN haul. This has been sitting in my living room for a month now. So I don't know if this is relevant anymore, but I'm here to bring you a SHEIN haul. Some people call it SHEIN, some people call it cheap. Tis what it is. This is the first top I got. Looks a little concerning, but give it a chance, give it a chance. This feels very America without the red. It's almost like I love denim and I love tablecloth all at once. Very styrofoam type of denim. I don't know how to explain it. Leftover tablecloth. Really stiff. As you can tell, there's like this peak coming out of here. By the way, your girl is a mid-size, so yes, this is a mid-size haul. Hope you understand that by now. So you're gonna see flaps, you're gonna see tummy, you're gonna see jiggles, and it's totally fine because we're here for the squishy. Squish me, squishy. Okay, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer. I do like the style of this top. I love how different I feel in this. Look at this metal ring. It's very trendy. This chesty bestie looks like it's almost sagging in my opinion. And then this one, because the shading is different, it feels more like something wrong with me. You do have your average zippy dippy here. It's a halter top, so it ties up, which I do love halter tops, we know that. Almost looks like a bathing suit right here, doesn't it? This would be doable at the beach. Someone said this before, your chesticles are just two meatballs on your body. Or I like to think of them as two huge ass pimples. Just thought I'll share some insight. Oh, these are fun. Okay, first of all, they're a little long. I'm sure to the normal person it's like, Faye, they're perfectly length, you ho. No, ho. I feel like they're a little long for my short ass legs. And plus, look at my no booty. Flattens me like a pancake. Are you a large? Who are you? I got a large and they fit amazing. No issue at all. Dainty chains. They are so low quality that it feels like they're just gonna rip off. You know what these chains remind me of? When you go to the grocery store and your dad tells you to like get out of the way because your mom's putting the groceries on the belt, so then he takes you to like the 50-cent machine and then you get like a little chain bracelet. These. She won the lottery. Yeah, there's just not a lot of quality in these shorts. Lindsay, I'm literally gonna rip my pants when I do the splits. In terms of visuality, very stylish. Oh, her shorts are cute. Wow, where'd you get them? But then when people actually buy it and wear it, they're like, I could have made this myself. These chains are hooked on. It looks like someone just Elmer's glued these straps and chains on. So if you're not looking for quality and you're looking for something like DIY-esque, these shorts are very cute for you, honey. And no shade and no drag, because after everything I've said, I'm still gonna wear them. I'm making use of my money for the summer, okay? This is the next baby top, oh my gosh. Some type of concoction putting this on. I never felt so confused and straddled. This felt like a maze to get into. It doesn't look right. Whoever made this must really like pretzels. I'm just itsy bitty. Looks like a baby's bottom. I don't feel secure at all. If you like under boob stickles, this will give you under boob stickles. And me, of course, it's cute. I recommend if you wear this top, you just stand still. Under any circumstances, even emergencies, please keep your arms by your side. You have to constantly pull it down because there's no stability, no security, and you just feel very, very screwed. It's gonna literally just snap and flip back. Be calm. Today, we are a statue. Let's see if this works. I I got this Beauty and the Beast dress. I love that I could adjust the strap. I just like made it so much more fitting to my body. I'm pretty sure I got this in a large, and this is how it fits on my mid-sized tummy. Yes, you do see the tum-tum and the bum-bum. Not much to give. Okay, I have a tendency to try to wrinkle this area to blend it in the tummy rolls, but it doesn't do much. It is what it is. That's how it looks like. Like, how can you go wrong with a beautiful yellow satin dress, silky texture and flavor to it? Wow. I just gotta get used to this croissant, and that's because I never really wear bodycon dresses, so I am self-conscious. But you know, it is what it is. If you're gonna be mad at me showing my croissant, then don't look at it. This is mine, and it's how it is and how it's gonna be. Croissant for days. I'm a little intimidated. I'm scared. Clip this on like a big ass necklace. Looks a little lopsided. Okay, listen, Linda. Yes, see? And then this down here is also the same way. So this is how it looks like. Pennies in your face. Pennies in your face. It's heavy. It is not fabric at all. Literally like hardware you're wearing. It has this metallic look to it with this cowl neckline. You can obviously put it higher or lower. Tighten this up. I'm literally a walking disco ball. Hey guys, I'm here from the party. Party, honey. It's so fitting. Mid-size or not, you can wear this and adjust it to your body shape. The only thing to keep in mind and be aware of is just this sheet. Like how far it can stretch to cover the side. That's all you have to be mindful of. You see all the extra space? I could like hook it up. Rose gold copper color. Like cream, you know, undercover. Who told me I could buy this top? Because this color is stunning. Holy but Jesus! Look at this color. On camera, I kind of like somewhere light, but it's actually deeper in person. So this is a fixed halter. You literally just throw over your head. Have these two straps that you tie at the back. So make sure you double knot. Unless you want your meatballs to be out there for everyone. My birthstone is actually emerald green, and this screams birthstone in Gemini ass. You guys have to go for tops that have this pointed angle right here. It just makes the illusion of a slimmer waist. And the halter straps up here just helps the broad shoulders, so the focus is really here. It's hair, and less hair. Framing of the button. Although I will say the fabric down here feels a little flimsy, but I mean, like, who really cares? Who's gonna come up to you and be like, you have a flimsy bottom? Triangle V. There. Figure it out. Listen, Linda. Why don't you figure it out? Ah! What is this? Let's see if this flappy thing can fit on me. So this kind of looks like a nightie. It reminds me of a grandma's top. It feels fake. Fake love. Straps feel like they will snap anytime soon. They feel like Christmas ribbons. It's supposed to be like lacy. Man, does this give me trust issues. As you can see, it opens down here just to give you a little moment of your tummy rolls. I cannot pull this off. You know what it is? It's almost like I went in for surgery. They cut my shirt open, take out all this drama in me. Okay, you can go home now. You're free. Emergency surgery. Yes, it's okay, but would I wear it out? I don't think so. I just can't make it look good, and maybe you can. I'd pass on this. Oh, you are not ready for this one. I feel like I belong. I'm not gonna say it. It goes down, right? I mean, okay, I'm just sneaking show you guys. You tie it down here. Just gonna put my pants over it. They try putting elastic within the sweetheart neckline just to kind of stick to your stomach. I mean, your third stomach. But I mean, it doesn't really do much. It has this very cute peekaboo look. And you can't cinch it, so it's a little tighter in this area. Obviously, you have the drawstrings down here that you can tie up and whatnot. And because it goes into this triangle shape again with that diagonal look, it's gonna make your waist look slimmer and trimmer. The denim quality is not the best. Kind of looks bumpy up here. It's zippable. I do like how snatched it makes my waist and back look with the denim. Quite low cut, just enough to cover the juices. So my big booby girls, keep in mind, you're gonna have a lot of that exposed up here. Kind of okay for me. Your girl's sagging. Whatever. I got a stomach surgery. If you're expecting for something tightening on your waist, it doesn't really have that quality to do that. You're welcome. Let's try this, shall we? This is in the size large. Let me just change my shirt. Here, let's do this. I got this in the size large. Should have got a medium because it's so loose on me that it doesn't like have any kind of squeeze. If it was a little smaller like this, it would be a little more fitting and nice and flattering to the body. I really don't like it. If you get this, please size down. There's just no support here. Simple halter, nothing much to it. Okay. In terms of this skirt, as you guys can see, I love skirts that you can sit on the side. I got this in the size large. Is this too short? Now listen, Linda, there is a lot of air puffing and huffing, as you can see. I mean, it does hold itself in terms of like the creases. It does have this cute little see-through ruffle going down along the skirty. And I'm not gonna lie, it has this cute SHEIN look to it with these coral flowers, yellow flowers. The color palette is actually really, really cute. So maybe a B+. It does go pretty high if I lift it up. I have to wear it pretty high just to get a little bit more length shortened down here. Okay, let's be honest though, it is not flattering from the side. No booty. The fupa is screaming. From the front, it's okay. Look at this, it's cute. But from the side, if I stand up here, I am one with the wall, okay? They say she's one with the wind, but she is one with the walls. So this is see-through. No worries, I got a bra on. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. The straps are adjustable. Holy, it screams some more. This little tank top is short, so it does keep coming up and you do have to keep pulling it down unless I just have to readjust the straps, most likely. The yellow outline of this and just this mesh feeling with all these colors of orange and yellow. Fake it till you make it. Fake that you're happy. You fake that you're okay. You fake that you don't cry every night to sleep because you're not happy. The color combination feels almost retro. Am I talking to you? Cute. Some, yeah. I think this is my favorite tank out of all the tops I tried. But be warned, it will roll up a lot. I can fix that. Life is fixable. So I got this dress, right? It doesn't zip. I'm too wide. I'm not a fan. Look at this underneath mesh fabric thing. And it feels like so styrofoam. On the model, it was so cute. I love like those things when you like try to fix around your sink and you spray the foam and then it hardens. What is happening? This could have been kind of cute, I guess. What is this? Hot glue gun. You know the strings that you're left with sometimes? No. What is happening here? I'm so confused. What? Where were you going with this? Hello, it's me, Shotty. I'm starting to question some choices I've made in life in this dress. I did get this dress. I gotta go get my sister to help me zip this because look at this. What in the world? I'm sorry you were waiting. This dress is actually really cute. It has this poof factor to it. Well, not too big of a poof, but enough to kind of like hide the tum-tum. It does run a little longer, but I am short. It goes above my knees, but I kind of like it. Ooh, innocent. Maybe it's too long. I like the color. I'm not dogging the fabric too much. Tablecloth, yes, but it feels fine. The straps are adjustable. We love that for us. It has this rounded cut towards the side of your chesty besties, which is different. It gives a little shape to your top part. I do feel like a young mother who is about to have her first child in this. Oh my gosh, imagine if this was a midi dress that ran down to your shin. Can we appreciate the straps? Look how cute and dainty they are. Yeah, I'm liking this dress a lot more than I thought I would. Because it has this poof to it, it doesn't stick to your body, your inner thighs. So you can be as sweaty as you want and still get that cool air because it does not touch my body like that. She said, air. So the next few items I do have are bathing suits, which I will put the photos here. And I'm not gonna try them on because I don't want to get demonetized. But what I'm gonna do is try it on TikTok. Check my TikTok out if you want to see me wear them and try them on for you. That is it for today's haul, and I think I'm gonna stay in this dress and go to dinner in it because what the not. Thank you guys so much for supporting me with my merch, and make sure to check out my merch down below. Twitter for the women. And make sure to tag me when you get your sweaters and t-shirts. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye. Even if you try